Howdy, cowpokes. Welcome to 1, 2, 3, 4. Holy smokes, the 11th of our 13th part web series dedicated to giving you all the bare bone basics of poker. Hey Internet, it's your old friend Dominic here with americancasinoguide.com. Today's topic, live dealer poker. But before getting started, you know the drill. Pound that big red subscribe button and ring a ding ding that notification bell. So let's start off with a brief definition. What is live dealer poker?
What is it?
Well, it's basically poker that you play online in real time with a live dealer. It features your usual poker table, deck of cards, you name it, it's all there. All you'd have to do is sit at the table you desire, place your bet, interact with the dealer if you want, and just play away. The best thing about this though is that you can play from literally anywhere in the world at any time you like. But let's get into the really fun part of it. If you don't know which live dealer poker variation is for you, don't worry, because there's quite a good selection of games you can choose from. The most well-known variations are live casino hold'em, live Caribbean stud poker, and live 3-card poker. Live dealer poker comes with some unique differences though when comparing it to regular poker. The biggest is that you play against the house instead of other players, like you would with Blackjack.
Not against each other, no?
The dealer doesn't check their cards until they actually have to, which is usually after you call or fold your cards. And just like in other casino games where you're playing against the house, live dealer poker offers high payout side bets as well as progressive jackpots, so you can win big while just throwing around some cards. Although it may seem as if it's only you and the dealer in the room, there are other players present also playing against the dealer.
You are not in this alone.
And you can interact with them and the dealer through the use of the chat box if you still want that social aspect of poker. Interested in giving this casino game a try? Then head over to our website, americancasinoguide.com, to find the best casinos where you can play live dealer poker and more. On that note, you may be wondering that this sounds a lot like online poker. So why give it a fancy name of live dealer poker? Well, that's because a lot of people confuse live dealer poker with online poker. I myself am actually guilty of this. So this is very important to remember if you actually want to start playing this variation. Here are the main differences between the two variations. As I previously mentioned, when playing live dealer poker, you get to play against the house, not against players. And also, the dealer and the cards are real, not simulated. In other words, the game is simultaneously live streamed for all players around the world. So if you want to play, having a good internet connection is a must.
Shell door back online.
So which variation will you be checking out? Let us know in the comment section down below. And also make sure to clickety-clack that like button and pound that big red subscribe button while you're at it, while ring-a-ding-dinging that notification bell. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.